Hi, today I'm going to explain how to convert solid block to sheet metal component. So this is the solid block and I'm going to convert this solid block to sheet metal with convert to sheet metal tool. So this is how the component looks like. So let's start now. So this is the solid block. Convert to sheet metal. Here we have to select the base. Now bend edges. So wherever I am going to bend, I have to select those edges. So here going to be one bend here. So the last one automatically it is showing the gap. So it is going to cut at this position. Next we have to select this for bend and the others. And these two top side are going to cut. So select, say OK. So it is converted to sheet metal component. So let's see the flat pattern. So it is in the form of T shape. To understand visually, so I'm going to show with unfold. So this is how it looks like. So this is about how to convert solid block to metal enclosure. Thank you.